On question 15, we are solving the system of equations using Cramer's rule. So we need to find four determinants, and you'll see that I have all four determinants set up right here. So D is just the coefficients of my x, y, and z column. dx is the same thing except for we replace the x column with the totals column. And then dy and dz, we replace the y column with the totals column and the z column with the totals column. So we can find these four determinants on the calculator, and we should find that d is equal to negative 81, dx is equal to negative 243, dy is 216, and dz is negative 9. So x is equal to negative 243 over negative 81, which is 3. Y is equal to 216 over negative 81, which is negative 8/3. And z is equal to negative 9 over negative 81, which is equal to 1/9. So my final answer is 3, negative 8/3, and 1/9.